is a big supermarket.
I like shopping at the supermarket. Mum and I come here every week.
We need a lot of things today. Can you help me, please?
Sure.
We need some pasta and some bread.
The bread is over there.
Can you get me some onions and a cucumber, please?
OK.
Oh, there are melons too. I'd like a melon.
No, Amy! Don't take that melon. Take one from the top.
Oh no! Sorry.
Hello, Grade 4. Today we're going to be on Unit 8, Lesson 2, Grammar. Unit 8, Lesson 2, Grammar. We're going to talk about countable nouns and non-countable nouns. But first, let's review on what we did the previous lesson. Talking about buying things at the grocery store, shopping at the grocery store, or shopping at the market. What's this? How do you say this? Noodles. Noodles with an S. And this? Cereal. Cereal. What's this? Meat. Meat. Do you remember the 4 kinds of meat that we talked about? Beef, pork, chicken, fish. I think chicken and fish are the easy ones. Do you remember the animal that beef comes from? Cow. And the animal that pork meat comes from? Pig. Pig. Good. What's this? Melon. Good. This? Cucumber. Onion. Lemon. Good. And remember how to put them in a sentence. I want to buy some cucumber. I want to buy some meat. I want to buy a melon. I want to buy 2 onions. All right, we're going to talk more about putting them in sentences today. But first, let's talk about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. First, remember what a noun is. A noun, person, place, thing, or idea. This is a marker. It's a noun. This is an eraser. It's a noun. Just anything. So countable and uncountable nouns talking about food at the supermarket. So we can take milk, for example. Milk. Is milk countable or uncountable? Uncountable. You cannot say, I have 1 milk. I have 2 milk. I have 3 milk. But how about a glass of milk? A glass of milk, a cup of milk. Is that countable or uncountable? That's countable, right? You can say, I have 1 cup of milk. I have 2 cups of milk. So it just means anything that you can count. I have 1 of these, I have 2 of these, I have 3 of these. But you cannot say, I have 3 of milk. Cannot say that. You can say, I have 3 cups of milk, but you cannot say, I have 3 milks. So what is another countable or uncountable noun? How about juice? Juice. Any kind of liquid, water, milk, tea. Juice is uncountable, right? Same for milk. But I can have a cup of juice. What about things we eat? Not drink, but things we eat. Like bread. Bread. You wouldn't say in English, I have a bread. You would say, I have some bread. And you can make bread countable by saying, I have a piece of bread. I have a slice of bread. But just bread is uncountable. Some more countable, how about an apple? Can you say, I have 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples? Yes, you can. So an apple would be countable. How about some meat? Is meat countable? Can you say, I have 1 meat, 2 meat, 3 meat? I have 4 beef. You can't say that. So beef would be uncountable. What about if we take beef and we say steak? Steak. A steak is a cut of beef, a slice of beef. Can you say, I have 2 steaks? I have 3 steaks? Yes, you can. So steaks would be countable. The more you practice with this, the easier it is to understand. Anything that you can actually hold in your hand and say, I have 1 of these, I have 2 of these, I have 3 of these, that is countable. If you cannot hold it in your hand and say, I have 1 of these, 2 of these, 3 of these, then it's probably uncountable. All right, let's go on to the book. Look at your book and listen and repeat.
Listening 73. Listen and repeat. 1 melon. 2 melons. 3 melons. Some melons. Some bread. I'd like a melon. We'd like some meat. Would you like some cereal? Yes, please. No, thanks.
Putting those in sentences now. I'd like 1 melon. I would like 2 melons. Can I have 3 melons? Can I have some melons? Like it says in the book, I is just short for I would like. I would. I'd like some melons. I would like some melons. And putting it in a question, would you like some melons? Yes, please. No, thank you. So look at the photo. In the photo, what are they buying? What are they buying at the supermarket? Bananas? Would you like a banana? No thanks. Would you like a banana? Is a banana, is that countable or uncountable? A banana. It's countable, right? Would you like some ice cream? Would you like some ice cream? Is ice cream countable or uncountable? Ice cream. We have 1 ice cream, 2 ice cream, 3 ice cream. Just ice cream is not countable, right? Ice cream alone is not countable. If we change ice cream a little bit and say a cup of ice cream or an ice cream cone, an ice cream cone, that's countable, right? I have 3 ice cream cones. I have 3 cups of ice cream. You can make ice cream countable with ice cream cone or cup of ice cream, but just ice cream alone is not countable. have a good idea of countable and uncountable nouns, let's talk about more of how to put them in a sentence. All right? Anytime we're talking about a noun, whether it's an apple or a car, we put a or in front of it. For example, I have a car. I eat an apple. You notice sometimes in English it's either an or an right? We put an in front of it if this first letter is a vowel. An A, an E, an I, O, or a U. A, E, I, O, or U, you put an in front of it. I have a car. This C, is it an A, E, I, O, or U? No, it's not. So we put a. This is the most important thing you need to remember. Un is followed by A, E, I, O, or U, the first letter of the word. So let's practice that. I want to live in house. What goes here? Un or right? I want to live in a house. Because this H is not an A, E, I, O, or U, right? How about this one? My dog has failed. Or un? Again, right? Because this is not an A, E, I, or U. How about this one? It's raining. Take umbrella. Or un? Un, right? Because this U. It is an A, E, I, O, or U. Un. Easy enough to understand, just need more practice at it. Choose un, or some. Write words in the correct boxes. So if it's countable, you would choose or un. For countable, or un. Just like we talked about before in our examples, I have some water. Uncountable, right? I have a glass of water. A glass of water. Countable. I have some bread. Some bread. Uncountable, right? I have A slice of bread, a piece of bread, a loaf of bread, countable. So let's put the nouns in the correct boxes of countable or uncountable. Countable, apple, unapple. Why un? Why un? Because A, right? A-E-I-O-U. Un, A. How about cookie? I have a cookie. Countable, right? And why a? Because C is not A-E-I-O-U. So up. Melon. A melon. Countable or uncountable? 1 melon, 2 melon, 3 melons. Countable. Cookie, melon, orange. Same thing with orange. Cookie, melon, orange. But for orange, right? Because O. A-E-I-O-U. O. Salad, and for you, some salad. Salad, egg. An egg. Again, because of E. A-E-I-O-U. Juice. Just juice. The liquid juice. I have some juice. Uncountable. Bread. Bread. Like the example we said before. Uncountable. Some bread. Rice. Rice. Would you say in English, I have a rice? Uncountable. Some rice. And some water. Countable, uncountable. Countable, a cookie, a melon, an orange, an egg. Countable, uncountable. Some salad, some juice, some bread, some rice, some water. So again, to understand the differences, let's make these countable now. Some salad cannot count how much salad. Some. How about a bowl of salad? I have 1 bowl of salad. I have 2 bowls of salad. You can make that countable. Some juice, not countable. How about 2 glass of juice, 2 bottles of juice? I have 2 bottles of juice. That's how you make that countable. Some bread, not countable. A slice of bread, a loaf of bread, countable. Some rice, not countable. A sack of rice, a box of rice, countable. Same thing for water. A cup of water, a bottle of water. Now let's do some more practice with un, or some. Put the correct words in the blanks. Number 1, men would like a sandwich. Easy enough. The children would like cakes. The children would like un, or some. Some, right? More than one. Children would like some cakes. Number 3, would your friends like? Same thing. More than one. S. Would you like apple? Because of A-E-I-O-U, right? Ben would like a sandwich. The children would like some cakes. Would your friends like some drinks? She would like an apple. And the practice. Would you like some noodles? Would you like some noodles? Because there's many noodles in there, right? Many noodles. Would you like some noodles?
Hello?
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like a loaf of white bread, a dozen eggs and milk.
Sure. How much milk would you like?
I'd like 2 cartons of milk.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a small bag of flour and a bottle of oil.
What kind of oil would you like?
A small bottle of olive oil, please.
Here you are. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
That's $23.
Here you are.
And here is your receipt.
Could you please give me a bag?
Yes, of course. Here it is. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi.
Hi. What can I do for you?
I would like a bunch of bananas and a kilo of red apples.
I'm afraid we only have green apples left. Is that all right?
Yes. That will be fine.
Anything else?
Yes. Have you got any olives?
Yes, we have both green and black olives. Which do you prefer?
I would like a jar of green olives.
Here you are.
How much does it cost?
It's $10.75.
Here you are.
And here is your change and receipt.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thanks for coming. Bye.
Okay, practice these more at your house. Bye-bye.